how to find the refresh rate of the monitor in Windows 11. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find the refresh rate of your Windows 11 computer. So in order to find the refresh rate of your Windows 11 PC, the first thing that you need to do is head on towards the settings of your computer. So to head on to the settings, simply move your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and from here you need to right click onto this start button. So simply right click onto the start button, and from here simply choose the settings option. Then, and once the setting application opens, under the settings you can see this tab of system just under the home option. So simply click onto this system option and it will open this following menu. Now from here you need to click onto this first option which says display. It also includes the settings for the monitor, the brightness, night light, and other display profiles. So simply click onto this display option, and under the display option you need to scroll down until you can see this option of advanced display under the related settings. The advanced display includes settings related to display information and refresh rate as well. So simply click onto this advanced display option, and here you go. There under the advanced display option you can see this choose a refresh rate option. So from here, if your monitor supports variable refresh rate, that means, for example, let's say if your monitor is a 120 hertz monitor, so that means it can also run content at 60 fps, 90 fps, and 120 fps as well. But in my case, my monitor is only a 60 hertz refresh rate monitor, so it is only giving me the option of 60 hertz. But in your case, once you will click this particular drop down arrow, the highest number that you find listed here will be the refresh rate of your computer. So for example, if you will drop down and the highest number at the top will be 144 hertz, so that means your computer or your monitor supports 144 hertz. So if you will also find the setting that is the dynamic refresh rate. So if you also want to enable this, you can enable the dynamic refresh rate. Helps save power. Windows adjusts the refresh rate up to the selected refresh rate above. So that means you can save power by allowing Windows to change the refresh rate according to the content that will be displayed onto your system. So overall, that's how easily you can find the refresh rate of your Windows 11 PC. So that's it for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.